Hello and welcome. Today, we will show you 10 fun things you can ask ChatGPT to help you learn English. ChatGPT is like a smart friend. You can chat with it anytime, and it can help you speak better English. Let's begin. 1. Tell me a joke. You can say, "Tell me a joke in English." ChatGPT might answer, "Why did the tomato turn red?" Because it saw the salad dressing. It's a fun way to learn new words and laugh at the same time. 2. Give me a short story. Say, "Give me a short story with easy English words." ChatGPT can create a story just for you. This helps you practice reading and new vocabulary. 3. Teach me idioms. Ask, "Teach me 5 fun idioms." For example, "It's raining cats and dogs." That means it's raining a lot. Idioms help you understand natural English. 4. Quiz me. Say, "Ask me 5 questions about food." ChatGPT might ask, "What do you drink in the morning that has caffeine?" This is great for testing what you know. 5. Word association game. Say, "Let's play a word association game." ChatGPT says, "Dog," and you say, "Bark." It's a quick and fun way to practice thinking in English. 8. Tongue twister. Say, "Give me a tongue twister." For example, "She sells seashells by the seashore." It's fun and great for pronunciation. 7. Pretend you are a waiter. Say, "Pretend you are a waiter. I will order food." This is like a role play. You can practice real-life English conversations, like in a restaurant. 8. Would you rather. Ask, "Give me 3 would you rather questions." Like, "Would you rather fly or be invisible?" You practice speaking and giving your opinion. 9. Funny dialogue. Say, "Write a funny dialogue between a dog and a cat." Reading and acting out the dialogue helps you with speaking and fluency. 10. Tell me a riddle. Say, "Give me a riddle and 3 hints." ChatGPT might say, "I speak without a mouth." What am I? It helps you think and learn new ideas in English. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. With ChatGPT, you can laugh, play, speak, and learn, all at the same time. Try one of these fun ideas today, and enjoy your journey to better English. Thanks for watching, and keep learning smarter.